My battery just died then. That's 2 I've burnt through today.
This beautiful old fashion engine here, where I'm wearing my flag. This one's been driven by my friend Wes. Good old character. This is called Prince. This engine is just receiving extensive boiler work. So we all know we need a little tiny bit of repairs. Well, this one has had some massive repairs. Most of the boiler now that you see here is all brand new. And it's done in a extremely short period of time by a wonderful dedicated group of volunteers who put time, effort and their own money into this. Honestly, I think it's more than just a love affair. It really is an obsession. So I think that just about concludes our fun for this afternoon. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've seen something here you found interesting. Maybe you've learned something, maybe you've just had a really good time. Because actually at the end of the day what this is all about, the whole steam engine movement nowadays, there's no commercial plane, it's all about a hobby. So if you've enjoyed yourself, that is the aim of the game and we've done well. And I'd just like to thank all the steam engine owners, all the people that have been here today and everybody that's helped out. And also all you members of the public for coming along and playing together this rally and enjoy yourselves, having a wonderful time. And I'd just like to thank you all for coming along.
There's one cool wagon, that one.
Thank you very much. See you all next year.
Now they've got to try and clear the arena of steam engines.
Thank you, Steve.